Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your battery life on a Volkswagen ID.4. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so you can view the battery charge level, state of charge from inside the car. So driver display, so this is behind the steering wheel. This shows the battery percentage, estimated driving range in miles or kilometers, and this updates in real time as you drive or charge. Center infotainment screen. So tap vehicle from the home screen, from the home menu, go to the charging tab, and then you'll see current battery percentage, estimated charging time remaining, preferred charging limit, for example 80% or 100%, and charging mode settings, AC or DC. You can also monitor charging behavior and efficiency. So while driving or charging, the infotainment system gives insights into how your battery is performing. So for trip data, tap the vehicle driving data section. View average consumption, regeneration usage, driving efficiency, helpful to understand battery drain rate. You can also set some charging limits and schedules as well. So although not directly battery health metrics, but managing a battery charging behavior can extend its lifespan. So navigate the vehicle charging settings. From here you can set a maximum charge level, usually 80% for daily use, schedule charging times, and enable battery care mode if it's available.